some spicy sauce. And oh my god, Manny. Don't make a mess in my car. My car is very clean. Whoa! Oh my! Oh! That is a sandwich. I'm telling you, look, that is beautiful. But I have one more thing to put it on, and I'm gonna have a bite. I'm gonna put ketchup. Look at that. Look at that, people. So beautiful. Mayonnaise, Taco Bell sauce, and a ketchup. Oh my god. Gets ready. Have some napkin. You know, it's gonna be mess. Let's make some beautiful thumbnail, okay? That's just for thumbnail. Pretending. Okay, now have some bite. Have some bite. Don't be shy. If you cannot get these right now, I feel sorry for you. Yum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is good. Oh my god. I got Diet Coke. The most important thing that I forgot is curly fry on my sandwich. Oh my god. Put some curly fry. That is beautiful. Oh. Ah. One more. I turn on all the light in my car. This is the best I can do. And I have two DJI mic here. I hope it's gonna work. Hello. Reporting my burger. That is good. Refreshing. Look at that side. Look at that side of my hand. Ooh. You cannot escape. I will eat. I dropped one curly fry. Don't worry. I have a lot. No more, please. I load my sandwich. Too much. Wow. I keep dropping everything. Okay. I will clean it. Mm. Refreshing. Mm. 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 Okay. That's good. God. Please don't make a mess in my in my car. No, I'm telling myself. This sandwich is the most juiciest, the most delicious sandwich ever I had in my life. Like burger. Mm. 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 So look at that. Honestly, they put 4 cheese. Oh my God! Now I just realized too much cheese. Thank you. Thank you, Jack in the Box. Oh my God. I realized something. Let me teach you something. Anytime I film, I hold the camera, they make my sandwich so good. Like, they put a lot of stuff, they make it juicy, they dress it up really good. Anytime I film. So maybe you guys start filming when you go to Jack in the Box. Mm. I'm gonna cry. It's almost over. Mm. 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 So good. I was so hungry, but now I am kinda full. It is good. I'm telling you, it is good. If you never tried Jack in the Box, don't do that. Try one time in your life, at least one time. Mm. Mm. That was good. Mm. Mm. Because let me get one ketchup. What is that? Diablo sauce from Taco Bell. So liquidy. Okay, just ketchup. One ketchup. Or maybe one ketchup, one Diablo. Try both. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open these, put it right here by the fry. Diablo. I seriously wanna know. Holy, holy schmoly! What? That is spicy, Diablo. Where's the bag? Diablo. Oh my God. Oh, that is spicy. Hmm. But I love it. Oh my God. Diablo is Mexican sauce, I believe. If not, comment and tell me which country is Diablo from. Mm, that is so good with Diablo and ketchup mix. Oh my God, so good. Mm. Mm. Open it up. Things are getting serious about my fry. Mm. Look at that. Look at that beautiful curly fry. Mm, mm, mm. Honestly, they have the best curly fry. Jack in the Box. Diablo. Mm. 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 Oh yeah. Look. Mm. Oh my God. Ah. Okay. That was good and delicious. Spicy. Oh my God, I love spicy. Refreshing. Ah. I wish I ordered a big one. But anyway, it's over. And As usual, as always. This is my extra sauce here. I keep it in the car. I usually put it in the trunk, but it's okay. Because inside the car get warm and this gonna get bad, but I don't think so. Tastes so good. It's been here for a month, I don't know. And the weather is so cold. Thank you. I love you all, and I will see you next time with another beautiful video. And all my car lights are on.